Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to new Gemini trend photo step by step. Start by choosing a clear concept and plan 2 complementary looks for your subject, then pick colors and props that match. Set up your camera on a tripod and test exposure for both shots, keeping consistent framing. Aim for natural light or soft artificial light, and take bracketed frames to preserve highlights and shadows for later blending. Compose each twin shot carefully and keep the camera locked down to ensure identical framing, then use a remote or timer to reduce movement. Keep ISO, aperture, and shutter speed consistent across both photos, and balance lighting so shadows land consistently. Ask your model to hold poses briefly while you shoot bracketed exposures, and use floor marks to realign position precisely so the two halves merge seamlessly during editing. Open both images in your preferred editor and align them on separate layers, using guides to check symmetry and balance. Create a mask on the top layer and paint with a soft brush to reveal the subject beneath, refining edges to remove visible seams. Finish by matching color grading, contrast, and grain so both halves look like one cohesive photograph. Then export in high resolution and test the result on different.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.